video is dedicated to all Corvette wives and girlfriends. Don't do the following to your man's Corvette. Never take it to a high school car wash. Please don't park near the grocery carts at Walmart. Don't ever put your groceries on the hood while you're looking for the trunk. Never use cheap gas to save a few bucks. The new shoes, they can wait. Never leave it under an oak tree in the springtime. Leave the pets at home. They don't need a joyride. Never take it for a drive to see what it can do. Obey all speed laws. Don't text and talk while driving. Here's a good one for you. During an argument, never say, you know, you have a stupid car. Try not to get mad when he posts more vet photos than you photos. Don't bait him with, you think more of that car than you do me? You may not like the answer. Don't accessorize without his consent. Fuzzy dice, hot pink steering wheel, or perhaps a picture of your favorite YouTube personality glued to the gov box. You girls know what I mean. Finally, never paint your nails while sitting in the driver's seat. Bad things can happen. This is Camille saying thank you and have a great day.